Hello, my name is Rossella and today I'm going to do chapter 8 in this book. You can find me on Facebook, Theory Virtuoso, and Instagram, Theory Virtuoso. You can also visit my website, theoryvirtuoso.com. The link is in the description below, where you can see all the videos that I publish. There are music theory videos, sample exam papers, tutorials on discovering music theory or grades, piano tutorials, and quizzes to test your knowledge too. Thank you for watching. Bye! Chapter 8 relates to terms in science. Let's go for it. In exercise 1, we need to answer the question. What is the translation of a number of Italian terms? And just by chance, I'm Italian. Yay! Prestissimo. Issimo means very. So very presto, which is very fast. So here it is. What is the Italian word for energetic? Well, it's very similar. Energico. Energico, that means very, plenty of energy, strong, yeah, keen. We like it. What does sforzo mean? Okay, this is the short version of sforzato. Sforzato. Which means kind of forced. Forced, I would say. Forced. Or unpleasantly forced. Is an unpleasant accent. Yeah. So sforzato is like when you push someone. So you do like a push. You not push gradually like this. You push it like this. Just say move. I don't like you. Move. So it's quite nasty. And that's the sense. So it affects only the note where this is, as opposed to pushing it, which means that probably is gradual. So for example, when you push your sofa somewhere, or you push your I don't know, a box with something throughout the room, and then you push it gradually, and then you increase maybe the force as you do it, but it's gradual, as opposed to this that is like a boom boom, something like this. It's not pleasant, and it affects only the note where it is, as opposed to steady pushing that it involves a number of notes and increases the volume or something gradually. I hope this is clear. Let me know if not. Suddenly is subito. Immediately. That is also written as sub. It's not sub, but subito. It's the short version of it. Again, it was to save ink. As I always say, in the past, people were copying every single note and detail from the books. So it would save ink and time to them. And ink was very precious, so they would have to make it shorter as much as possible. So subito or sub. What is faster, presto or prestissimo? This is the superlative, so prestissimo. Prestissimo, bravissimo, velocissimo, fortissimo, pianissimo, or very, very, very. That's the thing. Giocoso means playful. Giocoso is like, for example, if your dog likes to play, it's giocoso. Okay, or it's the mood. Yeah, so playful. Play, giocare, play, to play. So playful. Sostenuto means sustained. Let's talk about it. I write it first. Okay, sustained means that imagine that you are sustaining a weighted bag and you need to go upstairs like a few floors. you need to go up a few floors with that, and so you do like boom, boom. Each step is a deal. Boom, boom. So it's sustained. You feel the weight of every single thing, and you lose the momentum because you can't have that kind of momentum. You can't really fly through the stairs because you have that unusual weight on you that is preventing you from that. So that's the thing. Sempre leggero. Always, sempre. Leggero means light. So always light. Light as opposed to heavy. Okay, so not light that is shining. Light as opposed to heavy. The Italian word for joking is scherzando. Scherzando. A joke is a scherzo, like the composition. Yes. So scherzando. Scherzo is the like the composition is the joke. Joke. Perfect. Agitato con forza means agitated and with force. Agitated. Oh, sorry guys. Good. Sorry. What is the Italian word for always very quiet? Now, always is sempre, and very quiet is pianissimo. Sempre pianissimo. That's it. Last one. Molto pesante. Molto is very. Pesante, heavy. Heavy. Very heavy. So when you carry something molto pesante, you play it sostenuto. You could do that. And we want it to be sempre leggero, always light. Ah, that was a joke. Scherzavo. Sorry guys, I couldn't resist. Exercise 2. In this exercise, we need to tick the box that shows the correct translation to the words. Triste is sad. Oh, I'm sad today. Triste. Tranquillo is calm, tranquil. Lovely. This is the fermata, which means, okay, fermata. Fermata could be a bus stop, which means that we stop. So it's a pause on the note. Honestly, really, the fermata is the bus stop. I mean, no, it's the fermata of the bus. So the bus fermata, because we stop, we pause, really we rest. So it's a pause on the note. Ben marcato, okay, ben means well, okay, so well accented, not a little because it's poco, a little is poco, and then the rest is it's accented, marcato is accented, so ben marcato, well accented. And semplice means simple. You might find out that the words are very similar, so don't go for the the more complicated things. English comes from Latin and Greek, so I think you should rely on that and then think of the when they are, for example, here tranquillo, that means tranquil, which is also another word of calm, for calm, and so simple. So use that to remember the vocabulary. And then another way of remembering them is that when you find them on the score, or on a score that you play, don't just rely on what your teacher says. Just think of the meaning, the musical meaning of what you're playing. So if it's triste, how do you play? What is the piece where you can find that? And what other pieces you had in the past where you have that kind of sort of sorrowful mood? So don't just use your teacher's words. Go for the extra mile and go beyond that and see what's the musical meaning, because they always have a musical, there always is a musical meaning. And if you don't attach that to the words, to the terms, you're always going to play, I wouldn't say superficially, but not deeply. It's not superficially, but it's not even deeply. And we want always to be communicative and meaningful. Okay, so that is very, very important. This is for your playing. In the end, we learn theory for improving our playing, right? This is why you're here, not just for the exam, right? Let's carry on. Poco leggero. A little light. This one here. Poco e little. Leggero, light. As opposed to heavy. Okay, so they are opposite. These two. This means repeat from the beginning or from where you saw the dots before. Sempre means sempre forte, always forte, loud, always loud. Which one is the slowest? Andante means walking. Okay, we're going somewhere. Not in a rush, but we're going somewhere. Allegro means happy, therefore fast. Andantino, okay, is a little bit andante. A tiny bit. It's not as much as andante, but sort of. Ino means small or a little. And grave is slow, because grave means grave. So there is something very grave that happened and we are slow because of that. Grave. Which is the fastest? Andantino, okay, we say a little bit like andante. Prestissimo, very fast. Presto or allegro, which means fast. And now prestissimo is really the fastest, not only because issimo is the superlative, but also because presto is quicker than allegro. With presto, we have the hurry. So, for example, when we are in a rush or when we are late for school or for work, we would say presto, presto. Go, 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 quick, quick. So there is a sort of a hurry, as opposed to allegro that means fast, because it's we are happy. So we are fast because we are happy. Presto has this sense of a hurry. Prestissimo, we're really, really late. We are supposed to go where we have to go in 1 minute and we are half an hour away. So let's make it very, very quick. We need to teletransport ourselves, basically. Risoluto is when you know the answer, and so you are decisively saying, no, this is the answer, and I disagree with that. So it's very firm. So which one is that? Bold, strong? Yes, I think bold, strong. So again, when you know the answer, or you know that this is your decision, so you're very decisive and you don't have any compromise to share. Absolutely. So risoluto. Yeah, very convinced. Yeah, convinced. Yeah. Perfect. Sorted. Let's turn the page. Okay, guys, in this page we have a challenge, and I challenge you to send me your list. I will not do it for you because you need to remember what we've done before. But send me your page and then I will tell you if everything is correct. You can also find other terms that are different from those, the translations that we see in the book, provided that is musically correct. Okay, so you can also challenge yourself. If it's too easy for you, try to find another translation of it, but try to find the musical meaning of that. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget that you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and especially on TikTok. Don't miss it because there are lots of useful things that I say. Thank you and enjoy the next videos. Bye bye. I hope this video was helpful, and remember to like it and share it with your friends. If it was useful for you, it will be useful for other people too. Now, if you're looking for other chapters of Discovering Music Theory Grade 3, you only need to click there and find the chapter you're looking for. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!